Good evening, sir.
Hello, Adib.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir. Good evening, sir.
Hello, Mahfouz. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Abhishek.
Good evening, sir.
Hello, Afreen beta.
सर अभी हम क्लास में रहेंगे सर तो थोड़ा कैमरा ऑफ कर दीजिए।
Okay, beta.
जी सर अभी सैमरी लेक्चर है सर।
तो 2 लेक्चर कैसे एक साथ करेंगे बेटा?
वो अभी आधा घंटे के बाद होगा, स्टूडेंट लोग सब है बगल में, इसीलिए कैमरा ऑफ कर दीजिए।
तो क्लास कैसे अटेंड करेंगे 2 एक साथ आधे घंटे बाद?
वो आधा एक घंटे के बाद है सर। अभी हम क्लास में रहेंगे।
क्लास में फिर भी कैमरे पे रहना होगा because I want you focused on what we are doing here. Okay. And 1 घंटे बाद अगर दूसरा क्लास, if you have another class after in an hour, तो फिर एक क्लास छोड़ना पड़ेगा, या तो ये या तो वो, because you can't attend 2 classes. You can't give attention to 2 classes at the same time. Shazia, Ahmed. So guys, yesterday I shared stories with you of 2 people. One is Shilpa Shetty and the other is
Sir, my camera today is off.
Okay, Kashif. And I was saying, what was I saying? I was saying that you read the story, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So which story did you read?
I read Jamie.
Jamie color.
Jamie.
I read the dark about Jamie color.
Jamie Cullum.
We have question answers. Before we go there, take a look at this exercise. Match a verb in A with the words in B. Match a verb in A with the words in B. Match them, guys. Match the words in A and B.
Watch TV.
Well, I would like you to do it quietly.
Hello, sir.
Hello, Suleika. So let's do the exercises. Match the verbs and the nouns in B. Match them. You guys have a couple of minutes. Come on. Match.
Good evening, sir.
Apurva, you're sick.
Yes.
Take care. Take care. Just relax and attend the class. Just lying in bed, listening to me. No need to just participate much today.
Okay, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Hello, Sanyukta ma'am. How are you today?
Fine, sir.
I think you were fasting yesterday.
Oh, sir. I went Jamshedpur.
Two. Went ke baad two for
Went to
Jagah.
Jamshedpur. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah, right, Jamshedpur. Right. So you were with your relatives. Who lives in?
So, sir.
Uh-huh.
Oh, sir. There is my mother house.
Yeah, right. It's your mother's house in Jamshedpur, right? Okay, got it.
And Bihar Sharif in-laws house, sir.
Bihar Sharif is your in-laws house. Got it.
Yes. Some urgent work, sir. So
I had some urgent work. I had
I had some urgent work.
good.
So I went.
A and B. Look at the boxes. Match the verbs in A with the nouns in B.
Yes.
Done, sir.
Everybody has done it.
Yes, sir.
Let's talk. Watch.
TV.
TV.
Watch TV.
Watch TV.
Watch
Ah.
French films.
Watch French films. 2.
Listen to music.
Listen to music.
Listen to music.
Listen to music.
And
Play
The
the
piano.
piano.
play the
Play
piano.
the piano.
Play cards.
Play cards. Play the cards नहीं बेटा, play cards.
Play cards.
छोटी छोटी
Go
छोटी
down.
चीजें है ना, ध्यान देने की बात. Play cards.
Go
Go
shopping.
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 go shopping.
Get
And
up late.
Get
up
up
late.
Get up late. Cook
And
dinner.
Dinner.
cook dinner.
Cook dinner.
Cook dinner. Right. Well done. Well done. Now, some people are talking about themselves with these phrases. Listen to them. 3.7.
Two. I sometimes watch French films. 3.
I always listen to music in the car.
4. I don't play the piano.
I sometimes play cards with friends.
6. I go
shopping every Saturday.
8. I get up late on Sundays. 9.
I often cook dinner for my friends.
Tape script 3.6. In my free tape script 3.6. Tape script 3.7. 1.
I often watch TV.
Repeat.
I often watch
I often
TV.
watch TV.
I often watch TV.
2. I sometimes watch French film.
I sometimes watch.
watch French films.
I will sometimes.
I sometimes watch French films.
Watch
I sometimes watch French films. I think you never watch French films, right?
No.
You never watch French films, do you?
I sometimes watch TV.
3.
I always listen to music.
I always
listen to music.
I always listen.
I always listen to music.
The car.
In the car. In the car. I always listen to music in the car. Sana, are you by yourself, Sana, in the room, or you have people around you, Sana?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, beta. Do you have people around you, Sana?
Yes, sir.
Evening,
If possible, beta, go to another room where you're alone, okay? Because those people will take your attention, distract you from listening to the language properly, okay? So my advice to you would be to go to a room where you are alone. All right, shall we continue?
Four. I don't play the piano.
Repeat.
I
don't play the piano.
I don't play the piano.
Play the piano.
5.
I sometimes play cards with friends.
I sometimes play cards.
I sometimes play cards
with my friends.
6. I go dancing a lot. 7.
I go dancing.
I go dancing a
Every
lot.
Saturday.
8.
Afreen and Maz, it's a bit noisy from your end.
I get up late on Sundays.
I get a plate
I get
on
a plate
Sunday.
on Sundays.
9. I often cook dinner for my friends.
I often cook dinner
I
for
often
my
cook dinner for my friends.
I often cook dinner for my friends. Repeat.
I
I
often
often
cook
cook
my
dinner for
dinner
my friends.
My friends.
my friends.
Okay. Never rush through your words, through your sentence. It means do not speak fast. Okay. Take your time. Speak your words slowly. Feel what you have already said. Feel what you're going to say. Masbita, it's noisy from your end. Okay. So now we will listen again. Okay. We will not repeat. We will just listen carefully. All right, everybody? We will think of our own sentences. We will not repeat the sentences. We will learn and make our own sentences.
Tape script 3.6. Tape script 3.7. 1.
I often watch TV.
I often watch TV. Now, if you can make a similar sentence. Great.
2. I sometimes watch French film.
Anshu, who's speaking, Anshu?
Sir is my roommate.
Oh, okay. I sometimes watch French films. I never watch French films. I sometimes play chess with my students.
3. I always listen to music in the car.
I always listen to music in the car. Think of a similar sentence. I usually listen to music on my TV. I sometimes sing songs on Star Maker. I sometimes sing songs on Star Maker.
4. I don't play the piano.
I don't play any musical instruments. I don't play the piano. I don't play the violin. I don't play the guitar. I don't play any musical instruments. But I have a guitar in my house.
5.
I sometimes play cards with friends.
I don't play cards with friends. I never play cards with friends. I play cards with my relatives sometimes.
6. I go dancing a lot.
I go dancing a lot. I sometimes go swimming with my friend. I sometimes go swimming with my friend.
7.
I go shopping every Saturday.
I always go shopping with my wife.
I always go shopping with my friends.
Oh, interesting.
Eight. I get up late on Sundays.
I get up late every day. I want to get up early. I want to get up at 5:30, but I get up at about 7 every day, which is late. Friends, I hope you enjoyed doing this verb plus noun combination. Now, you have already read the text. Can you underline verbs and other words combinations here? Like you learned some here, dosto. You learned watch TV, listen to music, play cards, play the piano, go shopping, get up late, cook dinner, yeah,
Fried chickens.
watch French films, watch TV. So you notice some verbs and some words after the verbs. Can you notice the same things here in this text? Jemi Kalam text dekhna. And can you notice those verbs and words after verbs? कुछ दिख रहा है बेटा आप लोगों को?
Yes. Yeah.
जैसे
Playing cards.
enjoy French films. ये मजा है पढ़ने? Enjoy French films. Enjoy playing cards. Enjoy.
Playing cards.
Some people enjoy playing cards, right?
Yes, sir.
Live in London. Live in London. ये भी बना phrase बेटा. Live in London. Live in
London.
right. चलो चलते हैं. I am going with you. ठीक है? मुझे देखना बताना कि इसमें कुछ मिलता है आपको ऐसा. Travel a lot. Travel. ट्रैवल अ लॉट नहीं मिल ट्रैवल अ लॉट मिला ना बेटा इसका मतलब क्या हुआ खूब ट्रैवल करना राइट सुलेखा बोलेंगे आई डोंट ट्रैवल अ लॉट क्या बोलेंगे आप सुलेखा
I don't travel a lot.
यू डोंट ट्रैवल अ लॉट राइट
Yes, sir. Very interesting. We sleep late on Sundays.
बहुत अच्छा तो स्लीप लेट हो गया ना एक फ्रेज बना ना स्लीप लेट यहाँ सीखा ना हम लोग ने इस तरह से हमें ऐसे फ्रेजेस बनाने जो अभी हम लोगों ने यहाँ किया वन में वर्ब एंड अदर वर्ड्स वर्ब के बाद कुछ वर्ड्स देखे हम लोग हर जगह जैसे वॉच टीवी तो वॉच फ्रेंच फिल्म्स लिसन टू म्यूजिक राइट प्ले कार्ड्स प्ले द पियानो तो ऐसे जैसे बना रहे ऐसे ही यहाँ से ढूंढना है हमें सिमिलर फ्रेजेस हमें ढूंढने हैं यहाँ चलो इसमें कुछ मिला stay in hotel stay in yeah stay in hotel देखा बेटा आप लोग को मिला stay in hotels होटल में रहना right stay in hotels live in London live in London stay in
flat.
London.
live in a flat right live in a flat ये भी तो मिला right
Visiting garden centers.
yeah
I like
cooking Indian food.
like being with somebody like being with somebody
Somebody.
like being with somebody
Like being with.
like being with somebody
Friday night.
Like being with some.
like
We
being
often
with
go to
somebody
club.
सुलेखा
Go to club.
एक
Yes, sir.
सोचो ना एक औरत बोलती है आई डोंट लाइक बीइंग विद माय हस्बैंड क्या बोलती है वो आई डोंट
I
लाइक
don't-
बीइंग विद माय हस्बैंड अब
I
बताओ
like the things.
अगर कोई बोलेगी आई डोंट लाइक बीइंग विद माय हस्बैंड तो इसका मतलब वो क्या चाहती है तलाक या बच्चा
Talak.
यस क्योंकि क्या कह रही है वो
I don't like being
with my
husband.
husband I don't like being with my
with
husband
my.
right
Yes, sir.
Achha, suppose a child is a teenage child is very unhappy with his parents very unhappy with his parents what will he say I don't like being with my mummy and papa I don't like
being with her.
being with my
Being
mummy and papa
with my
Ah.
family.
okay you like being in this class
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
you like being in this class
Yes, sir. I like.
right everybody likes being with their friends now
Yes, sir.
everybody likes being with their friends repeat karna
Everybody like being.
Everybody
with their
like
friends.
being. Everybody like being with my.
everybody likes everybody like nahi everybody likes
Everybody
okay
likes.
everybody
Everybody
likes being
Everybody
with
like being
with their friends
Everybody likes.
Being with
Everybody
their
like their friends.
being with their friends no everybody likes being with their friends Irshad do you like being with your friends
I like being with my brother.
you like being with your brother okay Own brother or cousin?
Cousin?
Cousin, right.
Cousin brother.
Yeah, we all like being with our cousins. Our cousins are our good friends. No, I guess. Guys, you like
Yes,
being with
sir.
your cousins?
Yes,
I
sir.
like being with my
Yes, sir.
children.
I like
Mm-hmm. Sayukta ma'am, what did you say? You like being
I
with who?
like being with my children.
You like being with your children. That's the problem, Sayogita ma'am. We parents like being with our children, but our children like
Like-
being with their friends.
I like being with my family.
You like being with your family.
Yeah.
I like
Okay.
What
Yeah.
is- How are you?
And
Abhibhas.
some people like being with their special friends. No? They like being with their special friends. Okay. Ziba, do you like being with your mom?
Yes, sir.
But क्या फायदा? कुछ ही दिन और रहोगी मम्मी के साथ.
हेलो सर,
कोई फायदा नहीं बेटा. Yes,
हेलो
Apu,
सर,
सुहानी. Yes, सुहानी.
इसमें लाइक बिंग क्यों लग रहा है बिंग?
को ज्यादा लगाना नहीं है, ठीक है. बस महसूस करना अपने सेंटेंस को. जितने लोग इतने बातें बोल रहे थे, आप भी बोलिए. उसके बाद सब रूल्स वही है. नया रूल्स अगर आएगा तो पहले मैं एक्सप्लेन करूंगा. ओके, तो पहले आप
बिंग
महसूस
में
करिए.
समझ नहीं रहे हैं मैं।
आप समझ रही हैं. आप देर से मत आया करिए और क्लास छोड़ के मत जाया करिए. कल क्यों गई थी? Why did you leave the class in the middle? Answer. Why did you leave the class in the middle? देखो अब silence, no answer. Now second question. Did you watch the recording? The answer is no.
मैं मांगी थी वो वीडियो लेकिन बिंग नहीं है।
Suhani, did you watch the recording?
नो सर।
No. तो अगर आप खाली क्लास में सिंसियर होंगे तो यू विल नॉट लर्न. ओके, सिंसियरिटी क्लास के बाहर भी होनी चाहिए. गाइस, हम लोग को ये टेक्स्ट पढ़ना था ना.
Yes.
पूछिए सुहानी से. Did सुहानी read the text?
यस सर।
झूठ. हल्का हल्का पढ़ने को पढ़ना नहीं कहते हैं. दिल दिमाग लगा के. All right, everybody, let's continue what we were doing. We enjoy some people's company, no? We enjoy our friends' company. We can say, I like being with my friends. If you don't enjoy your papa's company, I don't like being with my papa. He shouts at me all the time. Amit, do you like being with your papa?
Yes, sir.
I don't know. Okay. So if you like being with somebody, it means you enjoy their company, right? You are happy when you are with them. Okay. Teenage children, 15, 16, 17, 18-year-old children. Do they enjoy being with mummy, papa, or they enjoy more being with their friends?
More enjoy with their friends.
being with their friends.
They enjoy more being with their friends,
Friend.
right? So, Hani, whose company do you enjoy? Whose company do you enjoy, Suhani? Whose company do you like? You like your brother's company, or your special friend's company, or you like your mummy's company? Whose company do you like? Who do you want to be
I like
with?
mummy and friends company.
So you like being with your mom. You like being with your mom.
Mom.
Suhani likes being with her mom. All right. Suhani likes being with her mom. All right. So like being with somebody. Let's continue. देखो एक और phrase बना. Go to a club. Go to a club.
We all do a club.
Right? देख रहे ना कितने अच्छे अच्छे phrases मिल रहे हैं verb के साथ. खाली verb ढूंढो, verb के साथ phrases ढूंढो. It's very easy. Okay? देखो फिर मिला. क्या मिला? Yes.
We all love dancing.
Get up, play.
Love dancing.
Get up, play.
Get up, play.
Love
We get to
dancing.
play.
वर्ब से सीखो, वर्ब से सीखो, उसके बाद तो कोई भी सब्जेक्ट लगा के कर सकते हो।
Make
Get up,
breakfast.
get up late मतलब
मैं लेट से उठती हूँ।
नहीं, गेट अप लेट मतलब लेट से उठना, बाकी आप जो उठता है उसके बारे में सब्जेक्ट लगा देंगे, हो जाएगा। गेट अप लेट मीन्स
लेट से उठना।
लेट के उठना।
लेट के उठना कि लेट से उठना? लेट से
लेट से
उठना।
ओके, मनी से लेट के उठना, इट वाज वेरी फनी। लेट के उठना। Moni's first language is Bengali, not Hindi, right, Moni?
Yes, sir.
But you understand Hindi, don't you?
हाँ sir. Yes.
Yeah, good, good. Okay, so get up late. How many of you get up late every day? Do you often get up? Do you often get up late, guys? Do you often get up late?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I often get up late.
Yes, sir. 7 o'clock, sir.
7 o'clock. Yeah, 7 o'clock is a little late. Hmm.
Then I make breakfast.
Yeah, I get up. I get up at
10 o'clock.
I get up at 10 o'clock. I get up at 10 o'clock. Okay. Who gets up at 10 o'clock, people? Who gets up at 10 o'clock?
Nani sir.
Suhani gets up at 10 o'clock. Yeah. Suhani gets up at 10. Interesting.
She is free mind.
Because she doesn't have any responsibilities. Free mind नहीं होता कोई चीज। ऐसी इंग्लिश ना बोलिए जो सोसाइटी से सीखती हो। काशिफ, ऐसी इंग्लिश अवॉइड करिए जो लोगों से सीखती हो। ऐसी इंग्लिश यूज करिए जो किताब से और अच्छी जगह से सीखती हो।
Because I sleep at 5 a.m. या 4 a.m.
Oh, I understand. You sleep late. You go to bed very late.
I go to bed 10 या 11 a.m.
Go to bed मतलब होता है सोने जाना।
But
10 a.m.
sorry p.m.
You go to bed late. आप कहती हैं I go to bed at 10 p.m. नहीं, आप सोने नहीं जाते। You go to study at 10 p.m. Don't go to bed. Okay, you study in bed. Okay, you study until 3, until 4. आप सुबह 3-4 बजे तक पढ़ाई करती हैं, right? You study until 3 or 4, and then you sleep, and that's how you get up late, because you go to bed very late. You sleep very late, right? You go to sleep late. आप देर से सोती हैं. Some people go to sleep late, so they get up late too. Okay. So my next phrase.
I make breakfast.
Make breakfast. आपको खाली वर्ब वाले फ्रेजेस चुनने हैं जो यहाँ एक्सरसाइज 1 में हम लोगों ने देखा था। एक्सरसाइज 1 में था ना बहुत सारा।
Yes.
वैसे ही यहाँ देखिए और ढूंढते जाइए। मेक ब्रेकफास्ट मतलब
नाश्ता
बनाना। नाश्ता बनाना। अगर बोलना है मेरी माँ नाश्ता बनाती, कैसे बोलेंगे?
My mother
My mother makes breakfast.
सबको धीरे धीरे समझ में आ रहा है, सबको धीरे धीरे याद आ रहा है। सब बोल गए माय मदर मेक ब्रेकफास्ट, उसके बाद धीरे धीरे मेक्स कर रहे हैं। आपको पता है ना एस लगना चाहिए, जरूरी है ना। माय मदर
breakfast.
फिर एक और फ्रेज देखिए नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस में।
That's important.
आई सिट मत बोलो ना, सिट एट पियानो।
Piano.
At my piano.
सिट एट द पियानो मतलब क्या हुआ? सिट एट द पियानो मतलब क्या हुआ?
मैं पियानो के पास
मैं
बैठता हूँ।
पियानो के
मतलब
पास
पियानो
बगल
ठीक है पियानो मतलब पियानो स्टार्ट करता हूँ ना वही।
ओके, आप समझ गए। सिट मतलब आप जानते हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, नहीं है। जरूरी नहीं कि हर सेंटेंस की हिंदी हो, जरूरी नहीं। ओके, यू अंडरस्टैंड? ओके, पियानो के ऊपर तो नहीं बैठे थे ना?
नहीं सर।
नहीं, वो सिट ऑन द पियानो हो जाए, वो हो जाएगा सिट ऑन द पियानो। यहाँ क्या लिखा है? सिट एट द पियानो। ओके, फिर एक और चीज देखिए।
I
I
play.
play for a couple of
Play for a couple of
Play.
hours.
मिला ना एक अच्छा सा फ्रेज।
इसका मतलब क्या होगा सर? I play for
प्ले मतलब यहाँ खेलना या बजाना?
बजाना
Pajana.
Jana.
बजाना। A couple of hours means 2 hours.
2
Couple of
hours.
hours means
2 hours.
2
2
hours.
hours. Okay.
Couple of hours.
एक और फ्रेज सीखा आपने? देखिए तो।
Play में बजाना.
राइट सॉन्ग
Right song.
Right song.
I play for a couple of
नहीं, जस्ट प्ले कुछ नहीं, काहे कि हम वर्ब के बाद वाले वर्ड्स की बात कर रहे दोस्तों, याद रखिए, है ना? किसकी बात कर रहे हैं? यहाँ पर क्या, यहाँ क्या देखे हम लोग? एक में क्या देखा? वन में क्या देखा? वॉच टीवी, वॉच फ्रेंच फिल्म्स, यानी वर्ब से शुरू हो रहे हैं ना हमारे फ्रेजेस। प्ले कार्ड्स, प्ले द पियानो, देख रहे हैं?
यस
तो बस वर्ब से शुरू करके बताइए, इसमें तो कुछ बना ही नहीं। हाँ, अब आया सामने, बहुत बढ़िया फ्रेज। क्या है बेटा? गो
Go
शॉपिंग।
Shopping.
ओके, आगे देखिए। लव ओल्ड थिंग्स,
Yes,
Love-
love all things.
Love all
पुरानी
things.
चीजें पसंद करना, लव ओल्ड थिंग्स। जेबा, डू यू लव ओल्ड थिंग्स?
Love all things. Yes, sir.
तो फिर अगर
I
पापा मम्मी ने बूढ़ा इंसान देख लिया तुम्हारे लिए, तो बुरा मत मानना फिर।
Nice, sir.
Because you said you love old things. अगर 45 साल का आदमी देख लिया ना पापा ने, तो बस बोलना मत कुछ, क्योंकि तुम्ही ने कहा आई लव ओल्ड थिंग्स।
Old things, old man नहीं.
Okay. Okay, anybody loves old men here? Okay, love old things. Next. और देखो बेटा, उसके बाद देखते हैं, फिर देखते हैं।
Have black leather.
Have black leather cowboy
Black leather.
boots. Have black leather cowboy boots.
Yes.
Have a car. ये भी बोल सकते हैं ना?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Have a lot of clothes. Have
Lot of clothes.
have a lot of
Lot of
clothes.
clothes.
Have
Have a lot
lots
of
of pen.
clothes.
Clothes.
Yes.
Have lots.
Okay,
Look
बेटा आगे
for
बढ़ते हैं।
old.
Look for
Look for something.
look for something.
Look for
or
something.
something
कोई चीज
Something.
कोई चीज ढूंढना, कोई चीज चाहना कि हाँ चीज मिल जाए। Okay.
like reading
Sana, you are looking for a life partner, Sana. You are looking for a career. You are looking for a job. What are you looking for, Sana? Sana, you are looking for a career. You are looking for a life partner. You're looking for a
Looking for a
what? A good
I'm
job.
looking for
कोई चीज आपको चाहिए ना, आप look for करते हैं, ठीक है?
For career.
जैसे
I look for businessman.
you're looking for
Career.
guys, बताओ ना क्या ढूंढ रहे हो तुम लोग, क्या चाहिए लाइफ में? What are you looking for?
Businessman.
For
Amit
rich
is
man.
looking for a good job and a beautiful wife, right, Amit? लेकिन वो actually he is looking for a good job. अभी wife के लिए कुछ कर नहीं रहा है वो, तो नहीं कहेंगे he is looking for. Nausheen, you are looking for a businessman husband.
Yes, sir.
Nausheen is looking for a businessman husband, guys. Nausheen is
Nausheen
looking
is
for a
married
husband. Nausheen is not married. Nausheen is not married. She's looking for a businessman husband. Okay. She's looking for a husband. Hello, Shabnam. Shabnam is not looking for a husband because Shabnam is already married. Okay. She's not
Yes, sir.
looking for a husband.
I looking for luxurious life.
I am.
I am.
जब हम कह रहे हैं looking for, ing वाला कौन बोल रहे हैं? तो I looking for क्या I am looking for? Anshu?
I am. Yes, sir. I am looking for luxurious life.
Anshu is looking for a luxurious life.
Oh my.
Okay. All right. And this guy looks for old postcards. इसको क्या चाहिए होता है? Old postcard चाहिए होता है. Okay. Abhishek,
Yes, sir.
you are
Yes,
looking
sir.
for a wife or you're looking for a job first?
Hello.
I
Yes,
for
yes,
the
yes, Sangeeta ma'am. Yes, Sangeeta ma'am.
इसका मीनिंग समझ में नहीं आया सर मुझे। आई हैव ब्लैक लेदर काउबॉय बूट्स।
हम अभी सबको फिर से पढ़ाएंगे, अभी तो खाली वर्ब खाली फ्रेज ढूंढ रहे हैं आपके लिए, ठीक है? जैसे मैं बताता हूँ यहाँ पे, आई हैव ब्लैक लेदर काउबॉय बूट्स,
यस सर।
I have boots, I have
I
black
have
boots, I have cowboy boots, I have leather boots,
Yes, sir.
I have black boots, I have a black car, I have black shirts, I have a lot of black shirts.
Lot
I have-
of black shirts, sir.
I have lots of
Earlier in my wardrobe, I had 5-6 black shirts. Now I don't have any, but I like black shirts. Black shirts
Oh.
are my favorite. Dark black,
Mm.
beautiful black. There are different blacks. I don't like all blacks, certain blacks, you know, there are different kinds of black. I'm very
Yes.
choosy about black color. I choose certain black, high, rich black, you know, and I like black shirts a
अच्छा
lot.
वो थोड़ा बता दे।
Why?
But you choose white here.
Hmm. So, you know, yeah, I love old things. I have black leather cowboy boots from there. Once I had a black shirt, you know, and I wore it for 3-4 years. It was very good quality fabric, cotton fabric. And then my nephew wore it. He loved it too. He just loves my clothes. He says, Guddu Chacha. Okay, he calls me Guddu Chacha, all right? So he says, I like your taste, he says, you know, and he likes the clothes that I wear. Nowadays, I don't care about my clothes a lot, but earlier I wore very nice clothes. I wore stylish clothes, you know, I will say smart clothes. Nowadays, I don't care. I wear anything, whatever I get my hands on. Okay. So this man has black leather cowboy boots. Okay, look for something, right? Kashif, you have a job. You're looking for promotion or you're looking for a wife, Kashif?
Promotions. I'm
You're looking for
promotion.
promotion. Okay, Kashif wants promotion. He's looking for promotion. Sayogita ma'am is looking for some good-looking boys and girls for her nephews and nieces, right, Sayogita ma'am? For her nephews and nieces. She's looking for some good-looking boys and girls in good jobs. All right. Acha, bata beta, if a man has a grown-up daughter, 24, 23 years of age, then what does he look for?
A well-settled man.
A man who has a 23, 24-year-old daughter, single daughter, okay? Then what does he look for? वो क्या ढूंढता है? He looks for a boy, right? For her daughter. For his
Businessman
daughter.
report.
He looks for a boy, right? For his daughter, right?
Yes, sir.
चलिए आगे बढ़ते बेटा. आगे
I
देखते हैं.
have 3 or 4 cousin sisters, sir.
You have cousin sisters
Yes, yes. She's
And-
unmarried.
and they are all single.
Yeah.
Oh, interesting.
Mhm.
Very interesting. I like reading about people from the past. इसमें भी कुछ बना?
Yes,
Like
sir.
I like
reading.
reading.
आई को हटाओ ना, आई को हटाओ ना, खाली वर्ब से देखो ना.
Like
Like
reading.
reading, पढ़ना
Like
पसंद
reading.
करना. Like reading मतलब पढ़ना पसंद करना. Okay? बोलो मेरी मम्मी को पढ़ना बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है. She doesn't like reading. My mother doesn't like
She
reading.
doesn't like reading.
Reading.
Yeah. फिर बोलो कि मुझे पढ़ना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. I love reading.
I love
love
I
reading.
love reading.
Okay. देखो फिर मिला यहाँ पे, कुछ मिला देखो तो.
Watch a French.
और
I
Japanese.
often watch a
Come back
French.
20 minutes.
I
Or
often
Japanese.
watch
French
a
or
French
Japanese
or
film.
Japanese film.
Right?
I enjoy foreign films.
Foreign.
Foreign
Foreign
films.
film.
Foreign.
So enjoy
Foreign.
foreign
Enjoy foreign films.
foreign films.
Foreign. Everybody. Foreign.
Foreign films. Foreign.
Films, no. Films.
films.
Films, no.
Foreign
Films.
films.
Yes, films.
Foreign films.
Maz, it's very noisy, Maz. Maz, it's very noisy, Maz. There are people shouting around you. Keep yourself muted, beta. ओके। तो ये देखते हो आप, ढेर सारे वर्ब के बाद कुछ ऑब्जेक्ट्स मिलते हैं, कुछ वर्ड्स मिलते हैं, वो सब गौर करना आपको। ओके, देखो बेटा, एक वर्ब और एक और मिला फ्रेज, लाइक प्लेइंग
Like
कार्ड।
playing cards.
तो इससे क्या पता चला? बहुत सारे सिमिलर मिल रहे हैं ना, जैसे लाइक वॉचिंग फिल्म्स, लाइक प्लेइंग कार्ड, है ना,
like reading,
लाइक
like
कुकिंग। आगे
old
देखते हैं।
things, like
Plate.
Like
Sleep
caring
late.
about my
Like cooking.
यस,
Like
स्लीप लेट।
cooking.
स्लीप लेट छोड़ दिया आपने, स्लीप लेट।
we sleep late,
स्लीप लेट मतलब
sleep
देर तक
late,
सोना, देर तक सोना भी।
late
स्लीप
on
लेट,
Sunday,
स्लीप
देर
लेट
तक सोना,
मतलब
yes.
देर तक
Sunday,
सोना।
तक सोना।
देर तक सोना.
like
फिर
cooking,
देखो, फिर आ गया, फिर वो सिमिलर।
I like cooking.
like cooking.
I like
Like cooking.
cooking.
Like cooking.
I
Cooking with parents.
really enjoy cooking. तो ठीक है,
Really enjoy cooking.
really enjoy
Usually
cooking.
roast chicken.
नहीं, उसमें वर्ब
All
नहीं
my
है, इसमें वर्ब
parents,
नहीं है, इसमें
Like
वर्ब नहीं
hearing.
है।
all my parents,
I call my
I
parents.
call
All
my
my
parents.
parents.
Call.
they like hearing, they like hearing
They like
about
चलो
my
पढ़ते
week.
हैं,
Like hearing.
hearing.
चलो पढ़ते हैं, चलो सब मिलके पढ़ते हैं। ओके, टुगेदर, लेट्स रीड टुगेदर। ओके। Jamie Cullum, songwriter and jazz pianist. Jamie Cullum lives in London. Songwriter and jazz pianist Jamie Cullum lives in London with his wife Sophie Dahl. Songwriter and jazz pianist Jamie Cullum lives in London with his wife Sophie Dahl. ये सब इंग्लिश तरीका है लिखने का, ठीक है। अगर हम लोग हिंदी तरीके से देखेंगे तो बहुत अलग हो जाएगा। कितना अच्छा तरीका है, जरा गौर करो। सॉन्ग एंड जैज पियानिस्ट जेमी कलम लिव्स इन लंदन। हम लोग सोचते तो लिखते हैं जेमी कलम इज ए सॉन्ग राइटर, जेमी कलम इज ए जैज पियानिस्ट, ऐसे भी लिखते हैं। ये बोलने के लिए ज्यादा अच्छा है। ओके,
What is the meaning of jazz pianist, sir?
a pianist is a person who plays the piano. A pianist is a person who
Plays piano.
plays the
piano.
piano. A person who plays the piano is called a pianist.
Yes, or jazz, what is jazz?
Jazz is a type of music. So he plays jazz music on the piano. He plays?
Jazz music on the piano.
Right. Now you tell me, do you have a pianist in your family, anyone?
No, sir.
My
roommate, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, never mind. Songwriter and jazz pianist Jamie Cullum lives in London with his wife, Sophie Dahl, comma, the model and cookery writer. So what is Sophie Dahl's job?
He is model and cookery writer.
Model and cookery writer.
She is a model.
And
She is a
cookery
model and cookery writer.
Cookery writer.
Right. He enjoys going to cookery writer means, you understand, she writes books about cooking. Her writing is about cooking, cookery writer.
Cooking.
Okay. Yeah. He enjoys going to markets. He enjoys French films. And he
Playing
enjoys playing cards at weekends. He enjoys going to markets. He enjoys French films. And he also enjoys playing cards at weekends. Jamie says, in my work, I travel a lot. In some jobs, people travel a lot. Virat Kohli can also say, in my work, I travel a lot, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can your father say, in my work, I travel a lot?
No, sir.
No, sir.
In my work, I travel a lot.
आपके हस्बैंड कहेंगे सुलेखा?
Yes, sir. Travel
But- बहुत ट्रैवल करते हैं, तो वो कह सकते हैं, इन माई वर्क आई ट्रैवल अ लॉट। काम के सिलसिले में हम बहुत ट्रैवल करते हैं, है ना? इन माई
Yes,
वर्क
sir.
आई ट्रैवल अ लॉट।
Travel a lot.
डू यू थिंक आई ट्रैवल अ लॉट इन माई वर्क?
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
I don't travel at all. And I stay in different hotels. He stays in different hotels.
Okay.
When you go to another city, do you stay in a hotel or you stay with your relatives?
No, sir. I stay in a hotel.
Sometimes hotel and sometimes relatives.
I often
I
stay
often
in
stay in
hotel.
Sayukta ma'am often stays in hotels when she goes to another city. Okay. In my work, I travel a lot and I stay in different hotels. So somebody who spends a lot of time traveling and somebody who stays in hotels a lot, what do they miss, guys? What do they miss? Those people who travel a lot and those who stay in different hotels, what do they miss? They
वह
miss,
अलग
they
अलग
miss their
city का
family.
काम
They miss their family, no?
Yes.
yes sir
Yes, sir.
You know, Virat Kohli is so successful, very successful, but he travels a lot when he plays cricket. So he misses his wife, right?
Yes.
Yes.
And whenever he gets time, he comes to his wife, right? To his
Yes.
daughter.
Yes.
So his perfect weekend is at home. His perfect weekend is
At home.
At home.
with his family and friends because he misses his family and friends. He spends a lot of time away from them. He spends a lot of time
Yeah.
traveling. He spends a lot of time staying in hotels. So his ideal weekend, his perfect weekend is at home, right? With his wife and his friends.
Family and friends.
But if you talk to a teenager in Bihar Sharif, all right, a teenager in Bihar Sharif, like Adib, like Maz, like Amit, you know, like Noor, like Aditya, like, who do we have here? Irshad, we have Anis. Anis stays in a hotel, so sorry, in a in a different city, so it's another thing. Atif, you guys, for you, ideal weekend is not at home. Your ideal weekend is in Rajgir. Your ideal weekend is in Kakolat. Your ideal weekend is away from
Swasbad.
home, right? Your perfect weekend is different because teenagers को क्या चाहिए दोस्तों? They don't want to be with mummy papa. They say क्या हुए mummy papa के साथ? You know, their perfect weekend is something different.
They will be with their friends.
Anshu, what is your perfect weekend? In a nice, Anshu,
in
tell us.
PG
I don't know. So अलग-अलग लोगों का अलग-अलग ख्वाहिश होता है ना दोस्तों? Different people have different desires, right?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Sanyukta ma'am, your husband is in the police department. So I think he spends a lot of time away from family, right? He spends a
Yes,
lot
sir.
of time out of the house. So
Yes.
I think his perfect weekend is when he is with you, with his daughters, right?
Mm.
It is his ideal weekend.
Yes, sir.
Guys, do you see? So
Yes.
I hope you understand. हर
Yes.
आदमी अपने
Yes,
अपने
sir.
हिसाब से decide करता है perfect weekend for themselves, right?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So what is the perfect weekend for this man, Jamie Kalam? His perfect weekend is at home
At home.
At
with his
With
wife,
his family and friends.
with his family and
with his
friends.
family and friends.
That weekend is at
Family
home.
and friends.
यानी कि अक्सर वो अपने फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स के साथ नहीं रहता, तभी तो चाहता है कि रहे, राइट? और जो हर
Yes.
समय घर ही पे रहता है, उसका क्या ख्वाहिश होता है? He wants to go away on
वो
holiday,
बाहर जाए.
right?
Yes, sir.
दोस्त वगैरह के साथ, एकांतों के साथ, किसी खास के साथ जाए. घर, you know, a lot of people who live in joint families, ask them their perfect weekend. They will never say at home with family and friends. They will say, nah, away somewhere alone with only my wife and my children. I have some friends, they are married and they have children. But if you talk to them and ask them about their perfect weekend, they will say, our perfect weekend is a long drive in the car with friends to Ooty, to Darjeeling. ऐसे कहते हैं वो. So, you know, they just miss their old times when they were young, when they were single. They had a lot of freedom. They miss that freedom, many of those people. Anyways, So my perfect weekend is at home with my family and friends. I live in a flat. I live in a
Flat.
flat
Flat.
in
In
northwest
Flat.
London. I live in a flat
North.
in northwest London next to my brother. So he says he lives in a flat. He lives in a flat.
Flat.
He doesn't live in
Flat.
a house. He lives in a flat. Where? In northwest London. In northwest London. Next to his brother, Ben. Next to his brother, मतलब भाई के बगल में. Next to his brother, Ben. So his flat and his brother's flat are next to each other. Okay. Where does he live? He lives in a flat.
He lives in a flat
Where
in
is the flat?
Northwest London.
The flat is in
Northwest London.
That is Northwest
Yes.
London.
Is his
London.
flat very far from his brother's flat?
No.
No.
Next
Next to his
It is
brother.
next to his brother. It is next to his brother. Okay. And whose house is next to your house? Whose house is next to your house?
My uncle house.
Your uncle's. Uncle pe apostrophe is uncle ka ghar, okay?
Yes.
Your uncle's house is next to your house. Okay, Moni? Tell me, people,
Yes,
whose
sir.
house is next to your house? Whose house is next to your house?
My neighbors.
Yes.
Do they have a name? Do they have a name?
Yes, sir.
What?
That's name is Guddu.
Guddu's
Just like-
house is next to your house.
Yes, sir.
All right. Is Guddu a single boy or he lives with his family?
No, sir. Boys.
He's a boy.
Yes, sir.
So, Abhishek, you live with your parents
Yes, sir.
and Guddu lives next to your house
Yes, sir.
alone.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next to matlab beta?
बगल में.
बगल में.
Very good. Hmm. Would you like to buy a house next to a graveyard?
No any graveyard, sir.
मैं पूछ रहा हूँ नहीं आप सुन नहीं रहे समझिए बात को मैंने क्या कहा Would you like to buy a house? क्या तुम एक घर
Oh,
खरीदना
no.
चाहोगे? Would you like to buy a house next to a graveyard?
No, sir, no.
People,
No,
tell me
anyone
your
wants.
decision.
Because
Suhani wouldn't
the
mind.
graveyard is a very peaceful place.
Peaceful place. Can you believe it? Okay, how many people here will be cool, will be okay buying a house next to a graveyard? And how many people will say, no way, I don't want that house?
In Bihar Sharif, sir,
Mhm.
my house is next to my graveyard.
Next to my graveyard? No, a graveyard. Sorry, Sayamita ji, आप गलत बोल
Yes.
गए. Next to a
Yeah.
graveyard.
Next to a
Alright.
graveyard.
Yes. Okay.
In front of my house.
Okay. Sorry, Sayamita.
In front of my house.
Oh, there is a graveyard in front of your house. Okay.
Yes, yes, sir.
आपके घर के सामने है graveyard.
Yes,
बगल में
sir,
नहीं
yes.
है. दोस्तों बगल में आप समझते हो?
हाँ मतलब बगल में
Side.
है.
Next to.
ठीक है. अगर यहाँ कोई
Just
बैठा
बगल
होगा,
में.
अगर यहाँ कोई बैठा होगा तो हम कहेंगे he is sitting next to me. Okay, next to
Sitting
me.
next to me, yes, sir.
और सामने
Right,
बैठा है तो in front of
Front.
me. Okay.
In front of my house.
Okay. बाद में और कुछ बताएंगे उसके बारे में. ऐसा नहीं है. और सिखाएंगे आपको. लेफ्ट राइट नहीं बोल सकते. ये तो नहीं बोलना है. आपको लेफ्ट राइट जब बायां दायां बोलना चाहते तब ना बोलेंगे. बगल में बोलने के लिए बायां दायां क्यों यूज करेंगे अनीश? ये बताइए. अगर हमको बोलना है कि फोन करके अरे सिनेमा में ही हो लड़की के बगल में सीट मिल लो तो हम लेफ्ट राइट क्यों बोलेंगे?
Next.
अनीश करते हैं ऐसा मुझे पता है. वो फोन करके बताते हैं अपने दोस्तों कह रहे लड़की के बगल में सीट मिल लो. ठीक है कैसे बोलेंगे?
Next to sit.
I have a
I
seat.
found a seat.
I have a
I
seat.
have
I have
a
a
seat.
seat next to a girl.
Next to a girl.
I have a seat next
Next to a girl.
लेफ्ट राइट आ रहा है दिमाग में. सोचिए
Yes.
मन में
Right.
आ रहा है लेफ्ट राइट आ रहा है क्या किसी के? नहीं आ रहा क्योंकि आपके मन में लेफ्ट राइट चला ही नहीं. आपने तो कहा बगल में.
बगल में.
राइट. वेयर इज ही? कहाँ चले गए? अनीश वेयर आर यू?
Next to girl.
Next to a girl.
Next to a girl.
This class is fun. ये क्लास मस्ती वाला है, इसमें सब लोग का दिमाग खुला है, बहुत अच्छा बोलते हैं लोग। हम अनीश ने कैमरा ऑफ कर लिया तो मैंने पूछा वेयर आर यू, तो लोग कह रहे हैं ही इज नेक्स्ट टू अ गर्ल। वेरी गुड। Anish, imagine करिए, you go to sleep in your room, okay? You go to sleep in your room in your usual place, जहाँ आप bedroom में अपने सोते हैं hostel में, and then you get up next to a girl. You get up next to a girl in bed. फिर क्या होगा आपका? And that girl is dead. Anish, that girl is dead.
I'm shocked. Oh my God. Ghost.
Oh my goodness. Anish की तो हालत खराब हो जाएगी, वो टॉयलेट भागेगा डर के फिर।
नहीं सर, वार्डन के पास भागेंगे।
अच्छा, will you go and tell them that I woke up next to a girl who was dead, or you will not tell anybody about her? In movies, in serials, you see, they get scared. They get scared. डर जाते हैं. They get scared and they don't tell anyone. बाद में फंस जाते हैं इसी चक्कर में, क्योंकि किसी को बताया नहीं था। तो लाइफ में कभी कुछ भी ऊपर नीचे हो, एकदम सीधा रास्ता लो, okay? In my neighborhood, a man committed suicide. All right. In my neighborhood, a man committed suicide. And in that house, there were only 2-3 ladies. And they got really nervous that he committed suicide. All of a sudden, in the evening, I told them, inform the police. And they listened to me. Some people were saying, no, don't tell the police. I said, tell the police.
Yes.
And they called the police, they informed the police. Nothing happened. They are fine, they're safe. But if they had not informed the police, I'm telling you, the police would have found out about the suicide, and they would have blamed the family. They would have said, you guys killed him. So always take the straight path. Always take the straight path. Do not try to be over smart anywhere. जो सीधा सीधा है वही काम करो, okay? So yes, sometimes we get nervous and we try to take smart, escape routes. Don't try that. Escape routes never work. Escape routes lena hi nahi hai. Always face the challenge. Anyways, next two is clear.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
whenever boys get on the train, they have only one thing in their mind. They want a girl next to their seat. They want a girl next to their seat, right? Anish, when you travel by train, you want a girl next to your seat? Next to your berth?
My friend.
All right. Next to me मतलब मेरे बगल में, right? लेफ्ट राइट कोई सवाल ही नहीं आ सकता कि आपके ज़हन में आ जाए, है ना? आप बोलना चाहते हैं मेरे बाएं तरफ, तब आपको बोलना पड़ेगा on my left. आप बोलना चाहते हैं मेरे दाएं तरफ, तब आप बोलेंगे on my right. लेकिन आप बोलना चाहते हैं मेरे बगल में. What will you say?
Next to my.
Next to me, next to me, next to me, next to me, मेरे बगल, next to me. अच्छा देखिए कैसे ये सब चीजें परेशान करती है लोगों को। आपने बचपन में पढ़ा मेरा तो माई पढ़ा है, और हम कह रहे नेक्स्ट टू मी, मेरे बगल में, जबकि आप मेरे का इंग्लिश माई सोचेंगे और मी मतलब तो आप मुझे सोचेंगे, राइट? इसीलिए इन सब वर्ड्स की हिंदी नहीं सिखानी चाहिए बच्चों को। जो टीचर्स मी मतलब मुझे और माई मतलब मेरा सिखाते हैं, वो बच्चों को बरगला देते हैं, जिसकी वजह से बच्चे बाद में मुश्किल में आते हैं। उस समय तो ये रट जाते हैं माई मतलब मेरा, और तारीफ हो जाती है कि बहुत अच्छा याद कर लिया। बट अभी आपके दिमाग में चलेगा नेक्स्ट टू मी मतलब मेरे बगल में, मी मतलब तो मुझे होता है। फंस गए ना आप मुसीबत में ऐसा सोच के। ओके आप किसी को बोलते आ ना बगल में बैठो ना मेरे, आओ मेरे बगल में बैठो, कम
and sit next to me.
कम एंड सिट नेक्स्ट टू मी। ओके जाओ जाकर के राजू के बगल में बैठ जाओ।
Go and sit
नेक्स्ट टू
Raju.
Raju. Go and sit next to Raju. Okay.
Raju.
Yeah. Any problems, anyone? No. Okay. So guys, he lives in a flat in northwest London next to his brother, Ben. And at weekends, I like being with him and my wife, Sophie. At weekends, he likes being with his wife, Sophie, and his brother Ben. Okay. He likes being with his wife Sophie and he likes being with his brother Ben. सुहानी अब तो आप समझ गई होंगी ना बेटा, लाइक बीइंग विद समबॉडी मतलब किसी के साथ होना, पसंद करना होना, राइट? अच्छा
Yes,
लगता है
sir.
जब कोई साथ रहता है. I don't like being with my XYZ relative or uncle or auntie. मतलब आपको उनका कंपनी अच्छा नहीं लगता, राइट? तो आप बोल सकते हैं I don't like being with them. Do you like being in this class? फिर नहीं बोल रहा मैं, कह रहा do you like being in this class?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Turn
Yes,
on the
sir.
light, Peter. Turn on the light. If you like being in this class, then you don't want to miss the class, right?
Yes.
Some students, ठीक बेटा छोड़ दे. Some students, you know, they often miss the class because they don't really like being here. They just they come here because they have to learn English, but they don't enjoy it. They don't enjoy being in this class. And some people love being in this class. They don't want to miss the class. Apurva is sick, but she is still listening to us. Why? Because she likes being in the class. She enjoys being in this class and she benefits from it. So she doesn't want to miss. Okay. At weekends, I like being with him and my wife, Sophie. On Friday nights, कब की बात हो रही है? On Friday nights.
Friday night.
On Friday nights. बोलिए बेटा, सब लोग बोलिए on Friday nights.
On Friday night.
Friday
On
night.
Friday night.
Friday night.
अभी क्या होता है कि अभी आपको लगता है कि आप तो बस खाली बोल रहे हो, लेकिन आपको ध्यान में रह जाएगा ये सब बोलने से. On Friday nights, और हिंदी में बोलेंगे शुक्रवार की रात को. शुक्रवार की रात को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलेंगे?
Friday night.
On Friday nights, we often go to a club.
Club.
We often go to a club. We who?
Jamie
Jamie and
James
Jamie and his
His wife and his brother. We all love dancing, right? Yeah. On Saturdays, we get up late. अब Saturdays की बात आ गई. So on Friday night, Jemmy Kalam goes dancing. He goes to a club. He goes to a club. Not alone. He doesn't go to the club alone. He goes with his family. He goes with his wife, his brother. On Saturdays, we get up late. On Saturdays, we get up late. And I make breakfast. On Saturdays, we get up late and I make breakfast. Okay. On Saturdays, we get up late, means all of us. And I think we understand why they get up late on Saturdays. Because on Friday night, they go to the club, they dance, you know. So perhaps they go to sleep very late. So on Saturdays, they get up late. And he makes breakfast. Okay. And he says, that's important to me. मेरे लिए मायने रखता है ये. बहुत जरूरी है. That's important to me. आपके लिए कोई चीज important कैसे बोलेंगे?
That's
important to me.
Right. A wife says, I can forgive my husband if he makes a mistake, but if he lies to me, I cannot forgive him. He must tell me everything honestly. That's important to me. He must tell me everything honestly. That's important to me. All right. So, फिर और बोलते हैं. I send my daughter to school and I want her to have higher education. That's important to me. But some fathers, they don't send their daughters for higher education. That's not important to them, right? Higher education for their daughters is not important to them. So something is important to you, आपके लिए वो चीज मायने रखती है, उसका value है आपके लिए, okay? Right? My mother's happiness is important to me. बोलिए बेटा.
My
happiness is important to me.
My mother happiness की my mother's happiness.
Mother's
happiness.
क्यों mother's क्यों?
मम्मी की
मम्मी की खुशी, मेरी मम्मी की खुशी. My mother's happiness, okay? आगे बोलिए.
My mother's happiness
important to me.
आप तो verb तो बोल ही नहीं रहे मेरे बच्चों. आप तो verb
My
तो बोल ही
mother's
नहीं.
happiness, but important to me.
वर्ब तो बोला ही
No,
नहीं
no,
आपने।
no.
That's
My
important.
नहीं
Mother's
आरती,
happiness. That's important.
क्या कर
important to
क्या
me.
कर रहे हो, क्या कर रहे हो आप लोग हड़बड़ाते ज्यादा हो। हड़बड़ाना नहीं है आरती,
My
आपने जो
mother's happiness is
हाँ तो यही
Important
बोलना
to
था
me.
मेरे बच्चे, आपने दैट्स इंपॉर्टेंट कर दिया। दैट मतलब हो गया, वो बात हम नहीं बोल रहे हैं, कुछ और बोल के उसके जगह बोल रहे हैं। अगर हम सीधा सीधा बोलना चाहते हैं मेरी माँ की खुशी मेरे लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है, तो क्या
My
My
mother's
mother's
happiness
importance
happiness is
to me.
important to me.
important to me.
is
हाँ तो जो लोग इस छोड़ के बोल रहे थे वो सोचें अपने मन में कि क्या वो अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं। अभी तक ऑडियो फाइल उतना सुन रहे हैं, अगर सुनते
No.
होते तो डायरेक्ट नहीं बोल पाते माई मदर्स हैप्पीनेस इंपॉर्टेंट टू मी, तो
Happiness
बोलेंगे
is
माई मदर्स
important to me.
हैप्पीनेस
Happiness
इज।
is
Important to me.
important to me.
आप बताओ इम्पोर्टेंट वर्ब है कि एडजेक्टिव?
Adjective.
Important is the adjective.
Adjective.
राइट, तो आप क्या बोलेंगे? माई मदर्स हैप्पीनेस इज।
My mother's happiness is
Important to me.
My mother's happiness
important to me.
शबनम आप हड़बड़ी में गलती बोल रही हैं शबनम।
My mother's happiness is important to me.
आप और सही बोलिए और समय दीजिए अपने आप को और एहसास करिए अपनी गलती का।
My mother's happiness is important to me.
देखा, दो बार आपने माई मदर हैप्पीनेस बोला, इसका मतलब आप फील नहीं कर पा रही थी कि आप कह रही है मेरी माँ हैप्पीनेस, मेरी माँ का हैप्पीनेस बोलना था।
Yeah, my
मेरी माँ की
mother's
खुशी।
happiness is
यस,
my
अपॉस्ट्रोफी
mother's
एस,
happiness is
अपॉस्ट्रोफी एस की सिर्फ एस मदर के साथ। अपॉस्ट्रोफी एस, अपॉस्ट्रोफी एस, अपॉस्ट्रोफी अभी नहीं बोल पा रही हैं नाशीन। अपॉस्ट्रोफी एस नाशीन, अपॉस्ट्रोफी, 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 अपॉस्ट्रोफी बोलिए अपॉस्ट्रोफी। Apostrophe S for possession, for possession. ओके, बोलिए मेरे लिए इंग्लिश बहुत मायने रखता है।
English
is
most important to me.
very important to me. English is
English
very
is
important.
very important.
English is very important to me.
English is very
Yes.
important to me.
All right.
English is very important to me.
important to me. My family is
Hello,
my
Manisha.
family's love's important to me.
My family's love.
My family's love important to me. My family is important to me.
All right. Where were we, guys?
Important to me.
Important.
Yes.
Important to me.
Love.
Yeah.
My family.
My family is important to me.
Oh, really?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine. If you say so, I believe you. All right. Let's continue, people. I make breakfast. That's important to me. Then I sit at my piano. Then I sit at my piano. It's in my kitchen. Then I sit at my piano. It's in my kitchen.
It's in my kitchen.
I sit at my piano. अब कोई भी चीज पियानो ऐसे रखा है, आप उस पे जाके बैठ जाओगे तो नहीं बोल सकते सिट एट माई पियानो, आप बोलेंगे सिट ऑन द पियानो अगर बैठ गए उसी पे जाके। लेकिन आपको पता है पियानो पे कैसे लोग बैठते हैं। ओके, I will show you a photo. Everybody knows how people sit at a piano.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
We saw several times.
Take a look. Where is this girl sitting?
At piano.
She's
She's
sit at
sitting
the piano.
at the piano. She's sitting at the piano. These people are sitting at the piano. अब यहाँ पियानो की जगह कंप्यूटर होता तो क्या बोलते?
Sitting at the computer.
Right.
Sitting at the computer.
अगर यहाँ उनका डेस्क होता, ऑफिस का उनका डेस्क होता तो क्या बोलते?
Sitting at the office desk.
Easy, easy. Where is this little girl sitting? Where is this little girl sitting?
Little
Sitting
girl
at the piano.
at the piano.
At the piano.
She's sitting at her piano.
Sitting at her piano.
All right. Any problems, anyone?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Then he sits at his piano. Then he sits
At her piano.
at his piano. He sits at his piano, right? He
Sits
sits at
at
his
his piano.
piano. I sit
Sits
at
at
my
his piano.
piano. वो बोलते हैं I sit at my piano. हम लोग बोलेंगे he
Sit at her piano.
He sits at her piano.
his.
He sits at his piano.
So एक छोटा छोटा चीज है, ध्यान रखना, okay? He sits at his piano. It's in my kitchen. It's in his kitchen. The piano. It मतलब क्या हुआ?
Yes.
Piano.
The piano is in his kitchen.
Yes.
Where is the piano?
In
Piano
her
is in
kitchen.
kitchen.
His kitchen.
Piano
It
is
is
in her
the kitchen. In his kitchen. Her kitchen.
In his kitchen.
The piano is in his kitchen. All right.
Yes.
And I play for a couple of hours. And I play for a couple of hours. I play for a couple of hours. I play for a couple of hours. A couple of hours means 2 hours.
2 hours.
2 hours.
तो जब आप a couple of hours बोलते हैं तो 120 मिनट बोल रहे हैं, किन के, या थोड़ा आगे पीछे हो सकता है?
2 hours.
2 hours.
हाँ, थोड़ा आगे पीछे हो सकता है. ये रफ आइडिया, ओके? अगर 120 एग्जैक्ट मीनिंग्स बोलने के लिए a couple of hours नहीं बोलते. A couple of hours, a couple of months. भाई हमें 1-2 महीना के लिए बाहर जा रहे हैं. I'm going away for a couple of months. I'm going away for
A couple of months.
yeah. The class will be closed for a couple of days. The class will be closed for a couple of days. मतलब क्लास बंद रहेगा कुछ दिन, है ना? 2-3 दिन. तो ऐसे ही 2-3 ऐसे ही बोलने के लिए couple of बोल देते हैं, ठीक है? तो I play for a couple of hours. थोड़ा देर बजाते हैं पियानो, ठीक है? I play for a couple of hours. I don't write songs. I don't write. जब वो बजा रहा होता है ना, जब बजा रहा होता है ना, तो वो नोट नहीं करता है कि हम ये बजा रहे हैं, ये बजा रहे हैं. उसको लिखता नहीं है उसको, ठीक है ना? उसको लिखता नहीं है. वो म्यूजिशियन जो होते हैं ना, बजाते हैं तो उसको लिखते हैं कागज पे. यू नो दैट? म्यूजिशियंस राइट म्यूजिक. आपको पता है? म्यूजिशियंस राइट म्यूजिक ऑन ए नोटबुक पे भी लिखते हैं. देखिए
Yes, sir.
दिखाता हूँ आपको. देखिए इस तरह से वो लिखते हैं ताकि किसी के सामने जाके फिर से वही चीज बजा सके. Can you see this? They write music. देखिए ये क्या कर रहा है, ये बजा रहा है, साथ में लिखते जा रहा है कि ये बजा रहा है, ताकि बाद में यही फिर से बजा सके कहीं पे. एग्जैक्टली.
जाता है ना, इस वजह से नोट्स करते हैं.
ओके एवरीबॉडी, आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
देखिए लिख रहे हैं कौन सा नोट बजा रहे हैं, कौन सा नोट बजा रहे हैं, वो लिख रहे हैं. तो he just plays, he doesn't write songs. वो उस समय लिखते नहीं है, बस बजाते रहते हैं. I don't write songs, I just play. He doesn't write songs, he just plays. म्यूजिक को लिखते नहीं है
Just
उसमें.
play.
He just plays. यानी मस्ती करते हैं कि काम करते
He
हैं?
just plays.
Masti.
मस्ती करते
मस्ती.
हैं.
अगर लिखते तो काम हो जाता है, राइट? लेकिन he
Yes, sir.
doesn't write songs, he just plays.
He doesn't write songs.
हाँ, he just
Doesn't
plays.
rhyme.
My
Sounds.
cat Luna listens. My cat Luna listens.
Listens.
Listen.
And when he plays,
cat Luna
then he is not
sings.
alone.
Hark.
His cat Luna
Yes.
listens.
Listens.
All right. वो सुनती है. उसकी cat जो होती है ना, उसका जो cat है ना Luna, वो
वो
सुनती
सुनते
रहती है
हैं.
उसको. हाँ. Sometimes in the afternoon, wife नहीं सुनती. His wife doesn't listen. इसका मतलब अच्छा नहीं बजाता होगा. He's a world famous pianist. Okay, guys. He's a very famous pianist. Sometimes in the afternoon, we go shopping in Portobello Market. So on Saturday in the afternoon, sometimes in the afternoon, दोपहर में, in the
Afternoon.
afternoon. Sometimes in the afternoon, we go shopping. We go We go
Go
shopping.
shopping.
Go shopping.
Shopping.
Go shopping.
Hello,
In
market.
Portobello
Go
Market.
shopping.
Portobello Market.
Portobello.
I love
Portobello
old
Market.
things. I love old things. I love old things. But Zeba doesn't like old men. Zeba likes old things, but she doesn't like old men.
Old
Okay.
man.
Okay. I love old things.
Sir, I have a question.
Old thing.
Yes, please, Kashif.
Do you know how much do you important to me?
Do you know
It
how
is
much you are
correct.
important कि you आपकी सोच बताओ. Important
How much do
adjective
you
है तो you को
do you
important से कैसे
important?
जोड़ेंगे? You को important से कैसे जोड़ेंगे दोस्तों?
You
You are important.
You
कैसे
are
बोलेंगे?
important.
You are important.
important.
Right. You are
It is
important.
wrong.
हाँ तो क्या बोलेंगे? Do you know how much important you are to me?
Yes, sir.
You know
कैसे
how much
बोलेंगे?
important you are to me.
How much you are important to me?
Do you know how much important to
You are
you
to me. और
to
भी
me?
तरीके हैं. और भी तरीके हैं इसको बोलने के.
Do you know how much important are you?
You are. You are.
You
Are you
are.
नहीं बोले? क्योंकि do you know
You
आगे
are.
लगा दिया ना बेटा. Do you know आगे लगा दिया ना इसीलिए. याद है?
Yes, sir. Do you
क्योंकि
know
पहले.
how important you are?
Okay. और एक तरीका बताएं. Do you know what you mean to me? Do you know what you mean to me? Do you know what you
Mean to me.
mean to me? मतलब तुमको पता है तुम मेरे लिए क्या मायने रखते हो? तुम मेरे लिए कितना important है? Do you know what you mean to me?
Do you know what you mean to me?
You mean the whole world to me. You mean the whole world to me. मतलब क्या हुआ? मेरे लिए तुम मेरी पूरी दुनिया हो. You mean the whole world to me. कैसे बोलेंगे?
You mean the whole world to
You
me.
mean
You
The whole-
mean the whole
The
world?
whole world to me. You mean the whole
You
world
mean
to
my
me.
whole.
जितने
You
सिंगल
mean
जितने सिंगल
whole
लड़के
world
लड़कियां
to
क्लास
me.
में पढ़ रहे हैं उन सबको थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा फी देना चाहिए क्योंकि हम ऐसे लाइन सिखा रहे हैं इंग्लिश के अलावे जो आप बाद में फ्लर्ट करने के लिए यूज करेंगे. राइट? आप बोलेंगे ना किसी को यू मीन द होल वर्ल्ड टू मी. फिर तो वो तो फटाक से फ्लैट हो जाएगी या हो जाएगा सुन के आपकी बात. हाँ बोलेगा यार तुम कहाँ थे. बाद में उसको पता चलेगा कि विनय सर का लाइन चिपकाया तुमने.
चप्पल पड़ेगा सर.
ये बहुत बुरा होगा. Guys, you mean the whole world to me. You mean
The whole world to me.
World to me.
और जब लड़ाई झगड़ा हो जाए when you guys have a big fight, when you have a big fight, एकदम भयानक फाइट हो जाए उसके बाद ब्रेकअप करते समय क्या बोलना है? You mean nothing to me.
You mean nothing to me.
Nothing to me.
You mean nothing to me.
Nothing
Get
to
lost.
me.
Get lost. Get lost. You mean
Leave
nothing
me
to me.
alone.
ये इंसान की फितरत है. जब किसी को मात वैल्यू करेगा सिर पे चढ़ाएगा और जब नहीं करेगा उसको लात पे पैर के नीचे रखेगा. ऐसे ही इंसान होते हैं हम लोग. हम सब ऐसे ही है. You know, that's the problem with us. Anyways, coming back to this. My cat Luna listens. Sometimes in the afternoon, we go shopping in Portobello Market. I love old things. I love old things. I love old things.
All things.
I have black leather cowboy boots. A क्यों नहीं लगा हुआ है? I have a black leather cowboy boots. A क्यों नहीं लगा?
क्योंकि ये बुक
पेयर
एक
होता
सब
है
होता
सर.
तो
बहुत सर, बहुत सर.
पेयर
The books pair में होता है.
Because boots plural है. बस एक लाइन. Boots plural noun है. बाकी कुछ नहीं बोलने का. बाकी आप जो लोग सब बोल रहे हो सब बेकार बातें बोल रहे हो. सब इतना बोलो.
Yes.
Boots is a plural noun. Plural के साथ a नहीं लगाते. Okay?
Yes.
I have black leather cowboy boots from there. I have black leather cowboy boots from there. From there, where?
From market.
Portobello Market. There
Market.
means Portobello
Portobello
Market.
Portobello Market.
हम जिस तरह से पढ़े क्या हम बहुत स्लो नहीं पढ़े आपके लिए आपको समझाने के लिए?
बहुत
Yes, sir.
हाँ,
Yes, sir.
तो आप घर पे
slowly,
ऐसे ही
slowly.
स्लो पढ़ने का प्रॉमिस करो मुझे कि आप घर पे ऐसे ही आप भी स्लो पढ़ोगे.
Okay, sir. I will promise.
Okay, sir.
कैसे पढ़ोगे?
No, I promise.
Slow.
Yes.
Okay, sir. I
Yes.
will try.
Yeah, very good, very good. आपने नहीं कहा I try, आपने कहा I will do it. I will read. I will read slowly.
I will try.
ट्राई क्यों करेंगे? आपको
I
स्लो
will
पढ़ना
do.
है,
I
तो
will
ट्राई क्यों
I
करेंगे?
will definitely do.
रीड स्लोली, ओके, यू विल रीड स्लोली, ठीक है
Okay, sir.
दोस्तों? स्लो पढ़ने से क्या मिला आपको? टाइम मिला, एक्स्ट्रा सोचने का, समझने का। अभी आप मुझे बताओ, आई एम आस्किंग यू द क्वेश्चंस, आप क्वेश्चंस के आंसर करो। डज जेमी कलम stay in the town or country at weekends?
Jamie Cullum lives in town.
Does
Stay
Jamie
in
Cullum
town.
stay in the town or country
Lives
at
in a
weekends?
Town, sir.
Country.
lives in
Country
his
मतलब
no sir
country मतलब क्या होता
town.
है? Country मतलब क्या होता है? देहात, okay?
वो दे अपना
Yes, sir.
Yes. तो हम क्या जानते हैं? He lives in a flat in London, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
London is
Yeah.
town or country?
town.
Town.
Is it
Con-
town?
Country.
No,
Town.
country
London
na.
is not
Town, sir,
country.
town.
Country मतलब देहाती area, Moni. Country means
Yes, sir.
देहाती area.
Dehati area.
Town.
Town, sir.
Village area is called country, okay?
Okay.
So the answer is he stays in the town, right?
Town.
Because his house, his flat is in London, and he stays in his flat with his wife, with his brother. So obviously he stays in the town.
Town.
अच्छा, शिल्पा शेट्टी, those who read about शिल्पा शेट्टी, जिन्होंने शिल्पा शेट्टी के बारे में पढ़ा था, they will tell me, does she stay in the town or country at weekend?
Countryside. Country.
Town.
Town, sir. Mumbai.
Countryside, sir.
जो पढ़े हो पढ़ के बताना, जो पढ़े हो लिखा है उसके हिसाब से बताना, okay?
He
जो
stay
टेक्स्ट
in
में
the
लिखा है
country.
उसके हिसाब से, according to the text, you have to answer the questions according to the text. Do not give me the answer from your own knowledge.
Country.
Stays in a countryside.
Okay, all
This
right.
stays in country.
Now, number 2, who does Jemi Kalam like to be with?
His wife,
Friends and
his wife,
family.
his brother.
Friends and family,
Jamie
right?
Cullum
Likes to be with his friends
Right.
and family.
Friends and family.
likes
Very good.
with
He likes to be with his friends and family, right? Number 3.
Yes, sir.
yes.
Number 3. What does he do on Friday evening? What does Jimmy Kalam do on Friday evening? आपको पता है ना?
Yes.
Outside.
Yeah.
Go to a
Go
club.
to
He
club.
goes, Moni goes.
He goes to club.
To a club.
हाँ, Moni, he goes. He go नहीं बोल सकते Moni. He goes.
to a nice he goes
To
to
a
Goes
club.
to a night club. Yeah.
He goes to a club
With his
with all
wife, with his
family
brother.
members.
Right. What does he like doing on Saturday morning? Jimmy Kalam, what does he like doing on Saturday morning?
Play.
He like make a breakfast.
He like
make a breakfast.
Make
He
breakfast
likes-
and play
I
piano.
Make a breakfast.
Yeah, he likes making breakfast and playing the
He
piano.
like just
Yeah, very good, very nice. आप लोग ऐसा कर लोगे ना, दोनों टेक्स्ट पढ़ो। आप क्या कह रहा हूँ मैं? आप दोनों टेक्स्ट पढ़ो, okay? Read both the text. Jimmy Shetty text and answer all the questions. अच्छे से, time दे करके, हाँ? And I will see you guys
Okay, sir.
tomorrow. All right, fine.
Okay, sir.
Fine, everybody. I'll see you. And Mars Beta, message me on Telegram to add you to the group. I will add you. Okay? Fine. Bye-bye, everybody. See ya.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Good
Bye.
night, sir.
Bye.
Good night,
Bye-bye.
sir. Allah
Good
Hafiz.
night.
Good night, sir.
Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz. Nausheen.
love him.
और अगर
Allah
हरे कृष्णा सत श्री अकाल भी बोलिए सब।
जय श्री कृष्णा।
जय श्री कृष्णा।
Allah
हम लोग
Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz. What a class it is, huh? Lovely. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.